Hi, Dr. Collins. I wanted to personally thank you for helping with my snoring problem. This appliance is a very easy moldable device that I put inside my mouth. I had trouble falling asleep and staying asleep. Now with this device, my airway has been opened up. I'm able to go to sleep quicker and stay asleep. My quality of sleep has never been better. This has really changed my life. Everyone has noticed it. My sleeping was keeping not only myself up at night, but everyone else around me. This product is a breakthrough. Dr. Collins, I want to thank you again for your help. Give Dr. Collins a call. It will change your life. Thank you.